In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule an appointment with BMO Harris online, a straightforward process that ensures you can set your banking appointments with ease and convenience. To kick things off, you'll want to navigate to the BMO Harris online appointment booking page by visiting www.bmo.com/oab/start. This is the gateway to scheduling your appointment. Once you're on the page, you might notice a note suggesting that if you'd prefer to book an appointment by phone, a number is provided there for your convenience. This is a great option if you'd rather speak to someone directly, but don't worry if you prefer going the digital route because the online process is also designed with user-friendliness in mind. Now, if you choose to schedule online, the first thing you'll come across is a simple yes or no question asking if you're a registered BMO banking customer. Answering this question will help streamline the appointment process. Ensuring you have the appropriate access depending on your customer status is a thoughtful touch to offer you a custom banking experience. Next, let's dive into the step-by-step process for setting up your appointment. Once you've addressed the initial question about your customer status, you'll be guided through several straightforward steps. First up is choosing your preferred location. This might be a branch that's closest to your home or your workplace, or perhaps a location that's convenient for another reason. Next, you'll select the discussion topic. Whether it's about opening a new account, mortgage inquiries, or investment advice, specifying your needs ensures you're paired with the right expert for your situation. It's all about making sure you get the personalized service BMO Harris is known for. Once you've selected your discussion topic, you'll move on to choosing a suitable date and time. The calendar interface here will show you available slots, allowing you to pick what fits best with your schedule. It's worth noting that planning ahead can be beneficial, especially if there's a specific consultant you'd like to meet. After choosing your time slot, the next step involves entering your contact information. This is essential for confirming your appointment and ensuring the bank can reach you with any updates or pertinent details. Double check your entries here to avoid any potential scheduling hiccups. Finally, it's time to review your appointment details. Taking a moment to verify all information ensures everything is in order. If everything looks good, you can go ahead and submit your appointment request. You should receive a confirmation email shortly after, so keep an eye on your inbox. And that's it. You've successfully scheduled your appointment with BMO Harris Online, paving the way for a smooth and efficient banking experience. Remember, if at any point you encounter issues or have questions, the contact number provided earlier is always an option. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps make your next BMO Harris appointment easy and hassle-free.